Okay, guys, this is a nice piece of pork leg shoulder. I'm gonna clean up and I'm gonna cut some slices in there. I'm doing the one-handed thing again because I can't seem to find my I'm gonna remove this excess fat, of course. I can't seem to find my tripod. Anyway, I'm gonna clean this up good again, remove this bit of excess fat, put some slices in this side as well, and then I'm gonna come back and show you how we're gonna season this up. It's Saturday night, of course, so I'm getting this ready for tomorrow, Sunday. See you soon. So okay, here's the pork. On this side, I've made some slices in there. Now on the skin side, these are the type of slices that I made in there. And now I'm going to get ready to make a marinade, the jerk marinade for this. So here I have I have a tablespoon of brown sugar. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of jerk marinade. My green seasoning, I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons. Pinch of salt, garlic powder, paprika, black pepper. All of those gonna be a tablespoon, I'm sorry, except for the salt, of course. Just a pinch of salt, tablespoon of garlic powder, tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning, tablespoon of adobo sazon, tablespoon of paprika, tablespoon of black pepper, and no, I don't need any, and about a teaspoon of dry thyme, and of course a tablespoon and a half of allspice. So I'll see you back when I get that all mixed together, okay? Okay guys, this is all the seasoning blends I told you about that I was gonna add together. I had missed this, so if you have some fresh ginger, dry ginger you wanna add a little bit to it. This is ginger, garlic, and pimento. Now I have this, and I'm going to add about I'm gonna add a half a cup in here. Mix this up really good. Oh, I also added 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, low sodium soy sauce. I'm gonna mix this up real good. Now guys, I'm gonna lather both sides in every corner of this pork shoulder very well, and then I'll come back and show you that, okay? Okay guys, here it is, fully seasoned. Yeah, make sure everything got lathered up real good with the marinade. So I'm gonna cover this up, wrap this in foil paper, and refrigerate it overnight. So I'll see you back tomorrow when it's time to cook this deliciousness. Okay guys, we're gonna get this ginormous pork shoulder in the oven. I have the oven preheated to 350. I'm gonna cook this slowly for about 3 hours. Oh boy. A little bit. I don't want it to stick on the skin too much, so I need another one. I'm gonna use this. That was roughing. 3 hours. Oh. $3.50 for 3 hours. Okay, so our 3 hours is up. We are going to get this thing out the oven and see what's cooking. Okay, I hear you. Guys, this smells so good in here. Oh my goodness. Ooh. Look a little closer to see this goodness. Okay. I'm gonna put it back in the oven on this side now. Yep. For 1 more hour while I cook my rice and peas. So 1 more hour uncovered. Okay, so the other hour is up. Let's get this baby out the oven. Take out, guys. Look, got a little more to do. I'm all up in the way. I'm sorry. Okay. Flip it one more time. Skin side up. Give it another 30 minutes to crisp up the skin again, okay? And then I'm gonna come back. Pay attention to this right here, guys. Okay, so my onions are nicely soft. So to this, I'm gonna add a pinch of minced garlic. Okay. Have a can of crushed pineapple. No, it's not crushed pineapple. It's pineapple chunks. I'm gonna put the pineapple and all the liquid in here, and all the chunks. Let me turn this up a little more. To this, I'm going to add some brown sugar. It's about 1.5 tablespoons, and I may need more. We will see. Add about 2 tablespoons of teriyaki. The same for the Worcestershire sauce. And soy sauce. Okay, let's bring this to a boil and then I'll come back and taste to see if it needs more salt, if it needs more sugar. Okay, so our sauce is cooking, and as you can hear, the pork is done. Before we get that out of the oven, let me get a taste of this, see if it's sweet enough. I'm gonna add some cornstarch to thicken that up, but let's get this pork out. Okay, I'm getting the pork, I'm coming. Oh my goodness, I wish I could bite into this right now. I'm gonna let it sit for a bit and cool so I can slice it up or cut it up more like that, more like it. Let's thicken up the sauce that we're gonna put over it once it's cut up. Some cornstarch slurry. Let's turn this down because I'm gonna need about 10 minutes to cool this off, and then so I can cut it up. Let's pour the oil from the fat. Woo. Please don't, please. Oh Jesus, no. Okay, that's enough because I don't want that kind of accident. Okay, so I transferred to the cutting board that I'm gonna cut it on. Oh wow. So that I can, yeah, I transferred the pork to the cutting board I'm gonna cut it on so I can get some of this goodness for the sauce. Yeah. Perfect. I also made a jerk chicken breast, as Jade does not like pork, so I made a jerk chicken breast for her. So that pork shoulder is gonna last more than 2 days for dinner. You know, some leftovers are the best when the meat gets to sit. Okay. So that's done. Alright, some peas is done. I made some steamed kale, and I'm going to come back when it's time to cut the pork up. Oh my. Seriously? I'm gonna take a bite of this crispy skin right now. Good fun. Look at the inside of that. Can you see that? Mm-hmm. Succulent. I come back when I'm done cutting it all up. Okay guys, so here's my bone. Still got some meat on there. I'm gonna save it for something. I'm not sure what yet. You know, it's like saving a ham bone. And now here is the what I have cut off from there. Again, that just looks so moist and succulent, doesn't it? I'm gonna do this with some of this. Ooh, please don't. I have enough mess to clean up after this. Don't give me any additional. Then I give myself any additional. I can't wait to dig in. Okay guys, so here's the pork with the pineapple sauce. I want to thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. From my kitchen to yours, from my family to yours, God bless, and you have a happy holidays, Merry Christmas, and be safe out there now, okay? Thank you.